Hello, students. I'm here with another maths Olympiad question. We need to simplify. It's actually very simple. So let me show you how to do it. We move solution now. You see, before you go far with this work, you must understand sort and how to simplify sort. So let me pick this. I have root of 72. How do I simplify root of 72 into the basic form of sod? This is going to be 36 times 2, which is the same thing as writing root of 36 times root of 2. I'm just following the rules of sod, okay? So this is going to be 6 root 2. The same thing if I have root of 8, it can be written as root of 4 times 2, which is the same thing as root of 4 times root of 2, which will be 2 instead, sorry, which will be 2 root 2. Now, because of this simplification, it has made the work very easy for me so that I can rewrite it as instead of having root of 72, I'm going to have 6 root 2. Then it's going to be raised to power, instead of raised to power root of 8, I'm going to have raised to the power 2 root 2. All right. The same thing at the denominator. I'm going to have 2 root 2 all raised to the power of 6 root 2. So I'm moving. Now the next thing to do is to check. Look at the powers. Can I do something about the powers? Yes, 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 yes. I can do something about the powers. And what should I do? This is what I can do. Do you know that this is going to be 6 root of 2 all raised to power 2 root 2? Then I'm going to have um 2 root 2 all raised to power. I can write 3 times root 2. This is a trick, okay? Not just 3 times root 2. Let me correct it. It is 3 times 2 root 2. Now I can go ahead to write it as 6 root 2 all raised to power 2 root 2, then all over 2 root 2 raised to power 3 all raised to power 2 root 2. You can see the powers are the same now, both for the numerator and the denominator. And we know that if you have x raised to power n all over y raised to power n, we can have it as x over y all raised to power n from our indices. So we can use the same conclusion to have it this way. We can have 6 root 2 all over 2 root 2 all raised to power 3, then everything raised to power 2 root 2. We can simplify what is in the bracket now so that we can have 6 root 2 all over 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. Everything is going to be the power of 2 root 2. Now this is 6 root 2. I'm working with what is in the bracket now. 2 times 2 times 2, we have 8. Then root 2 times root 2 is 2. Then we have times another root 2, which is going to give us 2 root 2. Okay, everything here is now raised to power 2 root 2. Now, looking at this very well, you can now decide to take off some things after you rearrange so that you are going to have 6 root 2 all over 8 times 2 is 16 root 2. Then everything is raised to power 2 root 2. Now you can see this will cancel this out. so that I have 2 here is 3 and 2 here is 8. So that I'm going to have 3 over 8 all raised to power 2 root 2. Okay, you can leave it like this, or you can decide to push the square inside, so that you are going to have 3 over 8 all squared, then all raised to power root 2, so that finally you can have 3 squared is 9, all over 8 squared is 64, all raised to power root 2. Now it depends on the option, and it depends on what your lecturer need. You can actually, some can actually let it go here, that is finalize their answer here, and some can take it to this part, but it is all okay. So I want to believe you understood the trick that I used to simplifying this question. So do not forget to subscribe and watch other maths videos from Chori Maths. Very important. Thank you for being here.